Welcome to our beginner's guide on how to grow a garden in Roblox. Gardening is not just fun, it also has amazing benefits. First up, let's talk about choosing the right game mode. Roblox offers various games where you can cultivate and nurture your garden. Starting your garden is easy. In this scene, we'll go over the basic steps and initial setup involved. Selecting the right seeds is vital. Understand the types and rarities to ensure your garden thrives. Don't forget about watering and maintenance. Here are some tips for keeping your plants healthy and growing. Now it's time to harvest. We'll discuss when and how to collect your rewards from your labor. Did you know you can earn Robux with your garden? Let's explore the selling options available to you. Enhancing the aesthetics of your garden not only looks great, but can also earn you more rewards. Here are some decoration ideas. Every gardener makes mistakes. Here are some common pitfalls to avoid in your Roblox gardening journey. That concludes our beginner's guide. Remember, gardening in Roblox can be so rewarding, both in-game and for your creativity. So grab your seeds and start growing.